Hello friends, Lilibet South Korea has a lot. Friends, look at that. There's lots of people over here. Oh, American friends, huh? Did you see that? Parang maganda tayo minsan. Parang pangit naman minsan. Ano ba? Sa badya, kailan ka ba gumanda? Friends, super lamig. Dalawa yung ano ko. Bawal tayo magsalita eh. Dalawa yung anong tawag to? Muktusi, mukturi. Ano yun? Scarf. It's so cold. Oh my gosh. Did you see them? I see them. My heart felt me. I love you more than know. As little pearly shell. Oh, bawal magsalita eh. Nandiyan yung pare, Prince. Pearly shell from the ocean, shining in the sun, cover in the snow. Oh, cover in the snow ba yun? Mali. Cover in the snow daw sabi niya. Wala. Friends, binigyan kami ng talk. Did you see them? Picture tayo. Come on. Tignan natin yung pare. Friends, I'm so cool. Did you see our place? Ay, nandito yung aso. Ano yung aso, friends? Anyong! Anyong! Yung aso, nagsimba din yung aso eh, no? Itong aso na to, ang ganda talaga. Ilwa ba? Ilwa. Anyong! 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 Hindi mo siya, friends, oh. Napaka-friendly niya, friends. Ay! Anyong! Cute niya talaga, no? Alam mo, friends, enjoy na enjoy ako sa mga aso. Hello! Hi! Friends, nakita ko yung ano. Nakita ko yung estudyante ko. Grabe, ang saya-saya ko. Grabe. Ang lamig talaga, grabe. I can't fathom. Okay, friends, so cold. Friends, binigyan kami nito. Ba't parang pangit ang kamay natin? Ang ganda naman. This is rice stock. Very hot. It's very hot, American friends. Let's eat. Saan ba natin ito ilagay? Kaya lang, friends, ha? Mamasyal lang kayo dyan, ha? Kaya lang kasi I feel not good. Kaya ilagay natin sa bulsa, no? Para mainitan tayo, no? Oh, okay, so. Ay, naku, yung kape natin. Tingnan mo, nalamig na yung kape natin. Ang sarap talaga ng kape dito, naku. Kaya nga ako pumupunta dito. Inom tayo kape, friends. Parang maganda ako ngayon. Kunwari lang. Hello! Lilibet ang South Korea. Salut! Still taking my person yung friends, look at the weather. Did you see that? The sky is blue. Oh my gosh. Did you see people over there? There are lots of people. Oh my God, so crowded over here every Sunday. Oh my gosh. You know, friends, American friends, this place is a tourist spot. One of the tourist spot in my place. This is very near in my house, American friends. I want to speak English because I have lots of American friends, you know. Andali ah. I have lots of American friends watching at me. Yes! Parang pangit ng camera. Parang napakisama talaga eh, no? Ganda yung kape. Ay, grabe talaga tong kape na to. Parang heaven. Siguro kaya masarap yung kape dito kasi kaunti lang yung alam mo yung ano, yung tubig nila, kalahati lang. Pag ako kasi nagkape, parang hankang eh. Isang malaking cup talaga. Hindi ko malasahan yung kape. Wala lang, kasi actually hindi naman ako umiinom ng kape talaga eh. Oo, kaso lang sabi ng doktor, hindi pwedeng lahat maalat kasi hindi rin ako umiinom ng kahit ano, mga juice, ganyan, hindi. Hindi daw pwede yung lahat na lang maalat. Grabe, parang heaven. Friends, mamatay na talaga ako sa lamig, friends. Tika. Wala kayo dyan kasi mamatay na talaga ako sa lamig, friends. Uy, grabe, ano ba? Pati yung friends ko sang bumaba. Dalawa nga yung sombrero ko eh. Alam mo, ang dami kong sombrero. Binigay ng biyanan ko. Teka lang friends ha. I just want to put here. And no! I'm dying! I'm dying for the cold. Oh my God, American friends. It's so cold today. 6 minutes lang ha kasi hindi na ma-site, ma-post sa ibang site. Okay, I'm okay now. Revelation from the ocean, shining in the sun, cover in the show, cover in the snow. Mali yung lyrics natin, no? Cover in the snow daw. Kasi maraming snow eh. Alam mo friends, nakakatuwa yung aso. Dalawa yung muktusi ko friends, dalawa talaga oh. Kasi kailangan nakaganon ba. Sula akong mask eh. Okay, magbabay na ako ha. Lilipit ako sa kuya. Hello, stay thick and more my person. Annyeong. I love you. I love you. Sarangi. Bye-bye. Gusto niyo manood? Tapos na, friend. Ayan oh. Tapos na. Yes. Tama na. Bye-bye.